Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all guys are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important for all the people who are currently working in the IT industry because we are going to explain and we are going to show you the welcome kit of Infosys. Now, majority of the subscribers and the viewers that we have are from companies like TCS, Infosys and Wipro. Now, altogether what happens is all the people working in these companies switch into the same existing different companies, right? For example, Infosys guy goes to TCS, TCS guy goes to Wipro, Wipro goes to Infosys. So this cycle goes on and on and on. Okay, so that is the reason we are targeting Infosys, Wipro, and TCS now. Okay, so we are going to start with Infosys first. So let me tell you guys what are the new joiners getting in TCS in Infosys. Okay, so basically, what should you expect? A laptop bag. Okay, you should get a laptop, a diary, bottle, pens, gift vouchers, a lot of other things, right? So let us begin. Now, before moving forward, I have a small humble request, guys. Please like this video and share it with your friends. If you are going to join Infosys, or if your friends are going to join Infosys, or they are going to give interviews for Infosys or any other company, share this video with them so that they have a good idea what are the things that they will be getting after joining Infosys. Okay, so and please subscribe to our YouTube channel because it will ultimately help you as well as us to make some useful videos again and again. Okay, so let us move forward. Now, first and foremost thing that I want to congratulate all of you guys if you have been selected for the interview or if you have got the offer letter or joining letters. Okay, so let us move forward. Now, the first thing, okay, the very first thing that you get is a laptop, right? So it can be an HP laptop, it can be a Dell laptop, or it can be an Acer laptop. So majority of the people in Infosys usually get Acer laptops and HP laptops, okay, with good quality processors and everything, RAM and all these things, right? So you can get all the setup and everything done with the help of IST, and you can set up the credentials for your laptop, okay? The next thing that you will be getting is you will be getting a key indicator, okay, for TOTP. Now basically what exactly it is, okay, it is authenticated token. Okay, so you get a device which is useful for like signing in into the applications or for connecting with the secure like VPNs, or maybe connecting to your accounts, okay, Infosys employee account. Okay, so that is the purpose of that small device. Okay, they have some numbers, 6 to 8 letters numbers. Okay, so you can utilize that for logging in into different systems. Okay, the next thing that you get is a diary. Okay, so here in the picture you will be able to see a black diary. Okay, and along with that you get a Infosys branded pen. Okay, so the color of the pen may vary, and one more important thing is the bottle. Okay, again you get a branded bottle, Infosys branded bottle. Okay, so you can see a logo of Infosys on it. Navigate your next. Along with that, some people might get a steel bottle. Okay, so a stainless steel bottle is what some people are getting, while some people are getting these colorful bottles as well. Okay, so you also get a letter from Infosys. It is really cool letter. Okay, so as far as I have seen, this is one of the coolest letter that you get. Okay, so welcome aboard. You have a congratulations message that you are becoming an Infosian. Okay, so this is a thing. Okay, the next thing that you get is a box which might contain something else as well. It might contain a mug as well. Okay, some of the employee at Infosys who are recently joining are getting mugs as well, white color mugs with Infosys branding. So that is also a possibility. Okay, guys. So if you are going to join Infosys, or if you have already joined Infosys and you have got anything else apart from this, do let us know in the comment section. We will happily tell our audience about it. Okay. And guys, if you are going to join some other company and you are getting joining all these things, right? So then please let us know. We will definitely, you can share a picture with us of the joining the things that you got while you're joining. Okay, so the joining kit, basically we will definitely make a video on that. Okay, or if you want to share the video of unboxing your joining kit, then definitely that will also be possible. You just have to share the video or the pictures with us on business.ed@gmail.com. Okay, I'll give the email in the description. Okay, you can mail us all your images and your videos and we'll happily make a video on that. Okay guys, till then keep watching our videos and please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, if you want us to make videos on any other companies, do let us know in the comment section. We will happily make it. Thank you for watching this video, guys.